We created a standing bed op in my old workout room in less than a week. The total cost for it was under $10,000. This is a view from the assistance monitor. We have 8 inputs to the switcher, 4 GoPros. The op is 12 by 12 and a half by 12 and a half. It contains 4 Harbor Freight carts, a Wayfair cart, 4 monitors, 4 GoPros, a switcher, an ASI cart, chairman chair, tool chests. These are the two of the carts. There's the third. The op is 12 and a half by 12 and a half. You'll notice we put the assistance computer on the cart, not in the monitor, and all we have on the cart is a monitor. We have 2 monitors for the assistance plus a switcher monitor, so you can see all inputs from the switcher right there. And here you can see how the large monitor that the patient and the doctor can see right in front on another tool cart. So there's so much storage in this, and it was done in less than a week.